Alright everybody, how you doing today? Today is my birthday, and I'm going to do a live stream later on today. So I thought, let's pull something out of the box, a couple items, get them tested and running, and that way I've got something new to run on my birthday. So I think I want to do this North Fork and caboose and chassis system and caboose. We'll put some metal wheels, couplers, get them all going, and yeah, see how it goes. Alright, there you go. We got them out of the box. Let's get them tested and see if they're going to run. Alright, this is a Bachmann. Let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Oh, you're going to be difficult, huh? Okay. Alright, well, this one with the way the couplers and everything on, it's not really all that easy to just pop open like normal. So I just went right to the motor this way. Almost looks like very clean inside. Everything's very clean, but it looks like it's been too much. Somebody probably just recently, before I got it, cleaned it and lubricated it, but it looks like there's a little bit too much lubrication in there, so I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Alright, yeah, I took a lot of grease out of that thing. It was over lubricated. Everything out of this lot so far has worked real good for me, and has been fairly clean. So let's see if this is going to work. I know it's going to want to jump out. Yeah, it stayed in place. Yeah, it's working. Sometimes when you don't have that cover on, gear or something might want to try to pop out. As you can see, there's just huge chunks and hunks of grease in there. So I'll clean it up, get the wheels going, and this is going to be a runner. As you can see on the screwdriver, pulling out big giant gobs of grease out of there. It doesn't need that much. Oh boy. And then I turn this over and look at this. Look at that big old gob of grease. That's just going to kind of weigh it all down and slow it down and not allow everything to move freely when you got it so greased up like that. Well, alright, we got everything cleaned up, and let's see, I'll turn this on. Actually had to delubricate it because there was so much in there. But this is an all-wheel drive and Bachmann, and it seems to work real well. So we'll put some metal wheels in this, and we will get it on the track. As you can see, huge chunk of grease taken out of that, along with a few Q-tips cleaned up. Alright, we got some metal wheels installed, and they spin flawlessly. Alright, we're going to move on to the chassis system. It's a lifelike. So let's see what we get. Oh, yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive in the front. And it works. Alright, let's clean it, lubricate it, and get it on the track. Alright, we got it open. Clean it up a bit. There's some hair in there. It looks to be pretty wet inside, like the other one. Maybe not as bad, but yeah, the gears all look good. Alright, I cleaned it up inside, put a tiny little bit of label on it, 107. So let's see how she runs. Alright. She's going to be a little runner. Alright, we got it all cleaned up, lubricated, back together. Clean the brass wheels back here, so let's see how she does. And it's singing right along. 4-wheel front-wheel drive lifelike chassis system. I'm down to only 2 metal wheels left, so good thing I got a box from Yankee Dabbler ready to go. Alright, we installed some metal wheels, and boy, they run flawlessly. So let's go put this on the track and see how it does. Well, here we go. Here's the chassis system with the caboose. Alright, now here's the Norfolk and Southern.